Assalamu alaikum everyone. You are noticing the situation which is very extreme in level, the flood situation in Noakhali, especially for the sub-district of Senbag, south part, is really very extreme because we are feeling very uneasy in our daily livelihood and chores. I don't know what is written in the fate of this inhabitant of this locality. I'm walking on a Soling road which is underwater. It is a very bad news for the people that the level of water is just freezing and it is increasing day by day because the rainy season is now taking his best revenge to us. I don't know why. It is one of the historical waterlogging situation for Noakhali inhabitants. Please pray for us. Please pray for our pretty and dear locality. And I especially urge the Department of Disaster Management and Relief, please take our prayer and wish very kindly because we are in a very dire situation, extreme situation. The level of flood situation is increasing day by day because the land of our locality is low on average. That is why we are in trap of waterlogged situation, and the administration should take immediate step to broaden the exit point of water. If there are any unnecessary embankment on the exit point of water extraction and water so please pray for us, pray for our locality. We are in a big position. Local administration should take immediate step against these kinds of disastrous moment because we are feeling very uneasy. They should take care after if any unnecessary embankment is built or not, or any dishonest person are creating hassle in the exit point of water. So we should be careful in our individual and respective position, and administration should take action against these kinds of disasters and subversive activities. I think that it is subversive activities against humanity, creating any obstruction in the exit point of water, extraction point of water. We should take immediate action to make free the exit point of water. So the local disaster management and relief directorate take it to their concern and consider it with very kind heart because we are in a big problem and very dire situation. We are feeling uneasy for last 15 or 20 days. Thank you.